ABC Educational Channel. Today let's have a speaking practice using daily use English sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. I play basketball. I play basketball. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I love my family. I love my family. I have a heart. I have a heart. I like cookies. I like cookies. I am strong. I am strong. I see a tree. I see a tree. I have shoes. I have shoes. I play with dolls. I play with dolls. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. I love my teacher. I love my teacher. I have a pet fish. I have a pet fish. I like candy. I like candy. I am smart. I am smart. I see a flowers. I see a flowers. I have a kite. I have a kite. I play in the park. I play in the park. I drink juice. I drink juice. I love my grandma. I love my grandma. I have a jacket. I have a jacket. I like to run.
I like to run.
I am silly.
I am silly.
I see a train.
I see a train.
I have a lunchbox.
I have a lunchbox.
I play with blocks.
I play with blocks.
I eat vegetables.
I eat vegetables.
I love my grandpa.
I love my grandpa.
I have a scarf.
I have a scarf.
I like to read.
I like to read.
I am carrying.
I am carrying.
I see a bike.
I see a bike.
I have a sweater.
I have a sweater.
I play in the sand.
I play in the sand.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I love my cousin.
I love my cousin.
I have mittens.
I have mittens.
I like popcorn.
I like popcorn.
I am helpful.
I am helpful.
I see a boat.
I see a boat.
I have ribbon.
I have ribbon.
I play on the side.
I play on the side.
I eat snacks.
I eat snacks.
love my aunt.
I love my aunt.
I have a glove.
I have a gloves.
I like hot chocolate.
I like hot chocolate.
I am cheerful.
I am cheerful.
I see a boss.
I see a boss.
I have a socks.
I have a socks.
I play hide and seek.
I play hide and seek.
I drink lemonade.
I drink lemonade.
Thanks for watching.